Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to redeem the Steam gift card. First, you go ahead and open up Steam. Then, what do? You go top right and click on your username. You're gonna see here your username. Then click on View My Wallet. Once you click on that, you're gonna see here a few options. You click on redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Once you click on that, you're gonna see here Steam wallet code. You're gonna write in your code. Once you write in your code, you finish, you press on continue. Then you go back to store, and then there it is. You are set. Thank you for watching, guys.